What's going on, YouTube? Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be replacing the spark plugs in this bad boy. This is just an intro to the video. I'll show you guys how I got off the gas tank, what I unplugged, and everything like that. So again, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
All right, finally, got all the bottoms out, ones in. Doesn't matter, it's all easy to take off anyway. You just wiggle it, and that's so I'm just gonna do it. Try to leave it or not, and then like I said, it's off, pull it, back oil. This one is kind of the struggle, but basically, I might got a point over here, pull it out, then pull it out, same with this one, point it back in here, see how it stays, and then pull it out. But it was tedious, but all in all, it probably took me about an hour to get out of them. Only thing I'm thinking, if I got some air filter, I might just get new coils to go in there as well. So get out here for a while, right, start with the now, so that's next week. I'm just gonna but if you guys think watching, please like the video. Like I said, sports, but I love across, I love my two bikes, so if something's fixed, generally, I would do something guys do.
Okay, so we have the Airbox here. Basically, you're gonna have 8 screws that goes around right here, as you can see they're right there. And then in the Airbox, I believe there's 5 screws that are like Allen wrench screws that you take that off. That Airbox is kind of a bugger to get out. But what you do is you take these things off first. You'll kind of see how it's connected, but I'll show you once I get it out. But these little levers right here, there's little notches that connect to that Airbox. You're gonna wanna take those off, bend them down and get them completely off. And then what I had to do is I had to kind of like twist it and then pop it out. And then down here, you're gonna have this hose connected to the Airbox. You're gonna have this hose connected to the Airbox. And and then this guy is connected to the Airbox. So you just take off those 3 things before you start tugging and pulling them out. Once those are off, you're gonna kind of twist it, pull it right out. And then I'm gonna take these off, and then you can see right there is my spark plugs, and there's 4 of them. So I'll let you guys know when I get to them. All right, YouTube, you guys can do whatever you want, but I'm just doing one at a time. I do not wanna mix up the coils. So I got the first plug out. Something I would highly suggest is one of these little bendy thingies. I don't even know what they're, let's see what they're called. The Power Torque. Made my life way easier. It was way hard to try to get a straight extension down. Well, it was impossible basically. So get one of these little guys. It'll make your life a lot easier. And then like I said, I'm just taking out one at a time and then just replacing it as I go. All right, I finally got all the old ones out, new ones in. It really wasn't that bad. This little hose is easy to take off though if it's in your way. You just wiggle it and it pops off. So I was thinking it was gonna be a little bit more heavy duty, but it's really not. And then, like I said, I just took this off, pulled it, took out the coil. This one and this one is kind of it's a struggle to be honest, but basically when I picked it up, I pointed it kind of over here, pulled it all the way that way, and then pulled it out. Same thing with this one. Pointed it back in here. You can see you have a little bit of space, and then pulled it out, but it was a bit tedious to be straight up with you. But all in all, it probably took me about an hour to get that all done. The only thing I'm thinking is I got to replace my air filter, and I might just get new coils to go on there as well, so that way I don't have to get back in here for a while. I'll probably get some starter fluid and clean that all out so that's nice and clean, and just clean it up as best I can. But appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video. Like I said, I do sports, but I love motocross. I love riding street bikes. So if there's something that needs to be fixed, generally I will get it done. So thank you guys. You guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.